Welcome to the info with me, HUAWEI Nova 10, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap here to Wi-Fi section. Just to activate Wi-Fi we should use the switcher, and then here we'll see all the available networks. For example, let's use this one. We should enter here our password. If you want to see this password, you should click here on this icon. I'll enter it out of screen. So now just we should click here to connect. Wait a second and we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. If you want to select more networks here and enter the password and connect to them, that's not a problem. You can after that switch between them if you want. To turn off the Wi-Fi, we should click here on the switcher once again, and if you want to use Wi-Fi from notification panel shortcuts, that's not a problem. Just open it and you'll see here the Wi-Fi icon. Click once on the icon to activate Wi-Fi. To launch the settings, hold for a while this icon here, and to turn it off, click on the icon once again. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.